What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you with another video to help you make money online. This video is about a lead for a senior financial analyst at a company called Jellysmack. Now, before we continue, I appreciate it if you'd hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more ways to make money online. Now, Jellysmack has been around for a number of years, and in that time, they have made a solid impact on social media. Some of the biggest names you've heard on the internet are actually affiliated with Jellysmack. Now, Jellysmack finds these people, manages them, and basically promotes, well, they don't manage them, they promote their content to the degree where more money is made from their content. That way the content creator can go and just focus on making content. Okay, so Jellysmack promotes their content, increases viewership, which increases revenue, so that the content creator can just focus on making videos, taking pictures, and anything that engages the audience. Now, the senior financial analyst will be working with Jellysmack to manage their finances. Now, they want someone who's based in Los Angeles, California, United States, or the company is in Los Angeles, California, United States. You'll be working in the legal and finance department, and it will be a full-time role. Now, bear with me. This lead is going to be fairly lengthy because of the high-level position that this one is. So they want to make sure that they explain everything in detail, and they want to make sure that whoever sees this understands everything about the role before even applying. Now, Jellysmack is the global creator company that detects and develops the world's most talented video creators on social media. We're an optimistic crew who naturally goes the extra mile, has a glass half full mindset, and sees challenges as opportunities. We look for positive people who think outside the box and are inventive, bold, lead change, and believe that teamwork matters. Jellysmack is seeking a highly motivated and experienced senior financial analyst to join our growing team. The ideal candidate is excited by the opportunity to work in a fast-paced environment, highly attentive to detail and communicative, a self-starter, and has proven to be successful in hyper-growth businesses. This person will be a key contributor to the Jellysmack finance team. This person will focus on helping the company develop more refined financial forecasting capabilities and methodologies. These efforts will inform Jellysmack's operating plan, and this person will communicate actionable insights that enable leaders throughout the company to achieve their objectives. This person will work cross-functionally with many key stakeholders throughout the company. Now, the responsibilities of the lead are as followed. We have multiple senior financial analyst roles on the team, and so the specific responsibilities may vary depending on a given candidate's experience and skill set. So they are looking for a financial analyst. However, they have several financial analyst positions that they might have you fill depending on your work experience and what you have to offer. Now, key responsibilities can include managing a specific business unit, profit and loss, performing deep dive analyses to generate actionable insights, devising new reports and mechanisms to bolster financial controllership, and implementing operational improvements to increase accuracy, automation, and scalability. Partner with cross-functional stakeholders on strategic, operational, and financial planning activities. Now, here are the requirements. Here are some things that they want you to have to qualify for this role. If you have a bachelor's degree in finance, economics, business, or a related quantitative field, also an MBA is a plus. And if you notice, they have that in bold. Not bold. Yes, they have that in bold. That is a hard thing that they're standing firm on. All right. The next thing, if you have a minimum of 3 to 4 years experience in corporate finance, investment, banking, private equity, or accounting. All right. You have a strong understanding of corporate finance and accounting fundamentals. You have a passion for financial modeling, creating data-driven analyses, and building or improving in a hyper-growth environment. You have strong analytical and communication skills, ability to distill complexity down into its most salient elements and communicating with senior executives. You like to serve as a mentor or coach to junior financial analysts. Previous experience as a people manager is a plus. You possess strong Excel proficiency, experience with SQL, Power BI, NetSuite is a plus. You are a standout team member who is agile, flexible, innovative, determined, and positive. Now, here are the benefits. The location. Jellysmack believes in a flexible work environment in which anyone can work from anywhere. This is why we've implemented our flexible location philosophy, meaning you get the best of both worlds. You can choose to work from home and or from our offices in Paris, New York, Los Angeles, or Corti. To make sure you get the best working environment, you will get a $300 or €250 allowance to get set up. The perks, early summer release Fridays, you get paid volunteering, which is 1 day dedicated to supporting a cause of your choice. You get company-sponsored wellness programs and events, competitive healthcare coverage, 401k match. Now they want to make there's something that they're stressing that is unique to them, which makes a difference. Now, their commitment to diversity and inclusion at Jellysmack. We believe that the best ideas come from the diverse cultures of our team members. Our commitment to inclusion across race, gender, age, religion, identity, and experience drives us forward every day. Creating a work culture that is safe and comfortable for our people to flourish is our main focus. Now, Jellysmack's story started in 2016, and since then, our unrivaled platform optimizes and distributes video content across social media platforms and allows creators to reach genuine new fans with zero effort. We are the only company building the hyper-engaged communities that every creator dreams of because, first and foremost, we are creators too. Creatives ourselves were home to over 250 influential creators, including Derek Dessel, Karina Garcia, Brad Mondo, Mr. Beast, Bailey Sarian, Patrick Starr, and PewDiePie. Jellysmack optimizes, operates, and distributes creator-made video content to Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube. The company's creator strategy builds upon its success in scaling its own original content channels in beauty, such as Beauty Studio, soccer, channels like Oh My Goal, gaming like Gameology, and more. Through the power of our data, we maximize reach and revenue so our creators stay focused on their passion. Creating the best content for their global fan bases. We turn that passion into a brand and that brand into an empire. Ready to be part of a great human adventure? We're dedicated to making the best working environment possible for our people. All you have to do is apply. We are ready to let you show off your talent. Now, to apply, you literally just press the apply for job button here. And when the page pops up, look for the section where you put your information in. Now, some of that information will be things like your resume, curriculum vitae, cover letter. And for things like those, there is a link to a free tool called the Canva in the description where you can just click that, register, just your name, email address. It's free, and you have access to hundreds of templates for each. So you literally just put your name where it says name, age where it says age, address where it says address, schooling, background, or history, just enter your schooling information. A bit about yourself, you just enter that stuff. And when you're done, you hit download. Then you attach your file to your application, and it's really that simple. Now, guys, go ahead, make money online. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more ways to make money online. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.